Here you can see that we have some random data like 50, 22 with the place's name. What we need is the total values of each place. Let's see how we can extract that from this data. The total of the value is 5740. This is for our reference. So, on top I made a table like this. We need to find the total value of each place. I made the average of each place and the number of frequency also. This is also for our reference only. Now the formula part. So here we need how much is the sum of Noida. So for that, type equal sign and SUMIF. In this formula, first we need to select the range from where we need to collect the data. Select the full range like this. Then the criteria part. Which place we need? Here it's Noida. And then the sum range. Select from where we can get the numbers. Then close the bracket. Now we can see the total value is 571 for Noida. I am changing it into absolute reference method for easy copying of formula. Now copy this formula for the next 5 places as well. We got the total values of all the places. And the frequency is also the same. And the total value is also correct. So this is the first way I wanted to show. In this sheet, I set some values for the places. Here we can see that the place's name written randomly, like Noida 2 times, Jammu 2 times, like that. So we need that the places should get the same values which we set above. So let's see how we can do that easily. For this also, we are going to use SUMIF formula. Here the range is the table which we set already. Criteria is always what we are searching for. And the sum range we need to select from the table. Here also I am applying the absolute reference method. Now Noida got the same value as mentioned above. Similarly, I am applying this formula for every cell. Now all the places got the same values as mentioned in the table. If we change the value in the table, that also will be reflected here. Just for instance, I am changing the value of Cochin to 1000. So we can see that all the values changed automatically for Cochin. Like this, we can change any value as per our requirement or need. This is my today's tutorial. See you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye.